everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever looked at your tiny backyard or compact patio and felt like you didn't have enough room to create something beautiful, this video is for you. Having a small yard house garden for small space isn't a limitation. It's an opportunity to create an intimate, high-impact sanctuary that is easy to maintain and bursting with personality. Today, we're diving deep into how you can maximize every square inch of your outdoor area to create a lush escape that feels anything but small. A small yard house garden for small space refers to a specialized approach to landscaping where design elements are scaled down to fit compact areas like urban courtyards, side yards, or tiny back terraces. Unlike traditional sprawling gardens, this style focuses on micro-landscaping, where every plant, furniture piece, and decorative accent serves a specific purpose. It is the art of creating a functional outdoor room that bridges the gap between your home's interior and the natural world, regardless of how many square feet you have. In essence, it's about prioritizing quality over quantity and using clever visual tricks to create a sense of depth and serenity. The beauty of a small yard lies in its manageability and the unique atmosphere it provides. One of the primary benefits is the significantly lower maintenance required. You can achieve a finished look with much less physical labor and financial investment compared to a large estate. Small gardens also offer a sense of privacy and enclosure that larger spaces often lack, acting as a cozy outdoor room for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Furthermore, a well-designed small garden can boost your home's curb appeal and overall property value, while providing a vital habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies. Because the space is contained, it's also much easier to control the environment, meaning you can curate a more lush, intentional look without feeling overwhelmed by weeds or unruly growth. To make a small yard feel expansive and visually stunning, you must master the art of visual deception. Start by using vertical space. Think trellises, wall-mounted planters, and tall, slender trees that draw the eye upward rather than outward. Creating zones using different floor textures, such as a small paved area for seating and a patch of artificial turf or gravel for contrast, can make the yard feel like it has multiple rooms, which trick the brain into perceiving more space. Mirrors are another designer secret. Placing a weather-resistant mirror on a fence can reflect greenery and double the visual depth of the garden. Opt for furniture with slim profiles and open legs to keep sightlines clear, and stick to a cohesive color palette. Cool tones like blues, whites, and silver foliage tend to recede, making the boundaries of the yard feel further away than they actually are. Choosing the right plants is critical when space is at a premium. You want varieties that offer high visual interest without becoming invasive or overgrown. Columnar plants such as sky pencil hollies or Italian cypresses provide height without width, making them perfect for tight corners. For color and texture, dwarf varieties are your best friend. Look for dwarf hydrangeas, lavender, or Japanese maples like the bloodgood variety, which grows slowly and offers stunning focal points. If you're looking for functionality, herbs like rosemary and thyme are hardy, fragrant, and can be grown in vertical wall pockets. Additionally, climbing plants like clematis or star jasmine are excellent for covering fences with lush greenery and flowers without taking up valuable floor space. Incorporating a mix of evergreens ensures your small garden looks vibrant even in the winter months. Transforming a small yard into a breathtaking garden is all about seeing the potential in the little things. By focusing on vertical growth, choosing the right scale for your plants, and adding personal decorative touches, you can turn a cramped outdoor area into your favorite part of the home. Remember, a garden isn't defined by its size, but by the joy and peace it brings to those who tend it. Your small space is a blank canvas just waiting for a bit of green inspiration. If you enjoyed these tips for small yard gardening, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our Garden Decor Designs community. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these ideas are you going to try in your own yard? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips on making your home and garden more beautiful. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.